Now, before going to create this entire assembly design, first we'll go here with sub-assembly between this connecting rod cap, then again this piston and piston rings are there, along with that piston pin also there. So let me create this sub-assembly first. So just we'll enter into new assembly design. Let's say okay. So first I will call this connecting rod open. Just we'll keep it somewhere here. Then next to that, as you can see here, this part it is showing as F. F is nothing but fixed part. But if I go here with visibility and if I turn on view origins, we are having different origin points. It means this origin is related to this part design. This it is related to assembly design. So always these two origins should be at same point. So in that case, we can make it here float this part, and if we try to move freely it will move now. Then we will apply relation by using mate between this origin to origin. We will apply here coincident. Let's say okay. Now this part is fixed. If we try to move it won't move. Then next to that, insert component, we will insert here connecting rod cap. So just to change orientation I'll use with reference to Z axis. I'll keep it here. To apply relation we'll go for mate between this hole to hole. We need concentric. Just I'll drag this hole to this hole, we need also concentric. Then this face it should attach with this face. So just we'll say it okay and say okay here, make it isometric. Then next to that again we'll go for insert component. We will insert here piston. Just we'll keep it somewhere here. Then we need to apply relation between this circle to this circle. We need concentric relation. Let's say okay. Then inside this face it should attach with this face. We'll make it here coincident relation. Let's say okay. Then next to that, insert component, we will insert here piston pin. Let me open piston pin. Then mate between this to this. Let's say okay. Then if we try to drag, it is able to move in this direction. Now this pin should be inserted exactly at center. So in these conditions, we can go here with advanced mates. We can use here width option. So we need to insert this pin between any two faces. So let me select this face and this face. It should be inserted between this face to this face. If I select here properly, it will come at center. Let's say okay. Then for this pin, if we try to move, we are having here degrees of freedom with reference to rotation. So to lock rotation, again we can go for mate. As you can see, we need to lock rotation for piston pin. So just I will select any plane like this. So that plane, it should be exactly parallel to this plane. Let me make it parallelism and let's say okay. Now if we check here, degrees of freedom is fixed for this particular piston pin. As you can see, if any part is like not fixed properly, it will show here minus. Now this piston is not fixed because rotation is there. So we need this rotation. So that's why we have left like that. Then next to that insert component, we will insert here piston ring. Let me keep it somewhere here. Relation between, so this cylinder to this one, we need here concentric. Let's say okay. Then this face, it should attach with this face. Then make it here okay, coincident. Same here also for piston ring, we'll be having rotation. So to lock that rotation, piston ring I'll open. I'll select this side plane. So for that, I'll make it parallel to this face. So just I will delete this. Why? Because this is an inclined face. We'll select flat face. Then we'll make it here parallelism. Okay. Now piston ring also fixed. Then same here, piston ring, we need here 3 times. So instead of calling again insert component and applying relations, directly we can go one option called copy with mates. Select component. We need to copy with this piston ring. Then go here with the next option. So we need to apply relations. Concentric relation we need for this cylinder, as it is highlighting in orange. Just select that. Then coincident we need. Before we have given for this phase, now we want for this phase. Exactly for this. Then parallelism we need for this phase. Let's say okay. Here one more ring is created. Same like that, one more concentric to this. We need to attach with this phase. Then parallel to this phase. Okay. So already 3 rings inserted. At the end we can close this. So like this we can create this sub-assembly. So if you want to hide all these origin systems and all, just we can click on visibility. Properly sub-assembly will be created. So just I will save it as sub-assembly. So sub-assembly of engine, which is consist of connecting rod cap, again piston ring, piston and piston pin. Let me save here.